What's up, tubers? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be applying a product that I came across out at the Good Guys show. So I was just kind of monkeying around walking through the vendor section, and I had heard about this stuff, but I had never seen it in person until I walked up on their booth. And this is called Sweet Patina. Check it out. So I bought a small little 10-ounce can. Should be more than enough to do the VW Bug because it's not very big. And what it's supposed to do is basically just protect the patina that's on there, the surface rust, stuff like that, and kind of give it, I guess, sort of a matte finish. It's water repellent, water resistant, helps inhibit rust, that's what I need. Preserves and prevents further deterioration, I'll take that. Protects from metal oxidation, penetrates into the pores, and it's spray on, wipe off. Seems easy enough, so hopefully a YouTube dummy like me can get it figured out. We're gonna find out. Well, here's the patina on my Bug. Now, I cannot just spray this stuff right over this because this has got a rough surface to it. So what I'm gonna have to do is get a little Scotch-Brite, knock this stuff down so that it's actually kind of smooth. And once I do that, I'll wipe it off, and then we will apply the Sweet Patina, and yeah, I guess we'll see what it does, how it makes it look. But this is the Bug. I dig the paint job on it. I dig the look. I gotta put my hubcaps back on. Let me track down some Scotch-Brite or something like that to knock off that rust. Pitter patter, we'll get at her. Alright, I got my Sweet Patina. I got a rag. Let's see what this stuff is all about. So supposedly I can just spray this kind of lightly on the surface and then wipe it down. I hope it's that easy. They made it out to be that easy, but you never know. So obviously you can tell a difference. I mean, when you're looking at unprotected, protected, a little bit of a sheen to it, not horrible. I don't want it glossy, but a matte kind of finish is fine. So far so good. I kind of dig how this back panel really came out. That's kind of bringing out the color of that rust a little bit and making it pop. Yeah, I dig that. All right, let's continue on down the rest of the car. So this stuff is, it reminds me a lot of like a gun oil. So this is my wagon. Let me spray a little area. You can kind of see what it looks like when it comes out. See how it's got kind of a oily tint to it? I mean, it is oil, I guess. Anyway, it smells good too. I guess that's why they call it Sweet Patina. It does have a sweet smell to it. That is Sweet Patina. So this can is 10 fluid ounces, and I probably, man, I don't know if I've gone through a third of this can. I wasn't completely hosing it down. I just wanted to kind of spray on a little bit and see. But I did go back over some of the heavier areas just to add a little more protection. overall, I mean, for 15 bucks, not a bad deal if you want to give it a shot. And that's all I wanted to do, was just try this stuff out. I didn't want to spend a ton of money doing it because I wasn't sure. So now that it's on, it is scheduled to rain here in Texas, so we're going to test this stuff. It says water resistant, water repellent. We shall soon see in the next few days. And you can apply this stuff, I guess. They say every couple months or so. Shoot, I guess you could go out there and really apply it as much as you want to, but hey, for 15 bucks, I bet I could probably get 3 full applications on this car, and that would probably get me a whole year. So that's a pretty good deal. If you're out there, you got a similar rat rod style kind of hot rod with a cool patina paint job, here's a way to protect it, and it's pretty cheap. Thanks so much for watching. Stay hungry, stay foolish.